Today, let's learn something interesting. Let's uncover the mystery behind the tearful kitchen dilemma. Have you ever wondered why chopping onions make you cry? It's not because of a sad story. Today, we are going to find out what's really happening. Onions are full of hidden surprises. Inside them, there are special sulfur containing compounds. These are harmless when the onion is whole, but everything changes once you cut into it. When you chop an onion, you break its cells. This releases an enzyme called alliinase, which reacts with those sulfur compounds. Together, they form a chemical called syn-propanethiol S oxide. This is the real culprit behind the tears. As soon as this chemical is released, it turns into a gas. When it reaches your eyes, it irritates them and your tear glands jump into action to wash it away. Let's see a fun fact. The sharper your knife, the fewer tears you'll shed. A dull knife crushes more onion cells, releasing more of that tear inducing gas. So, the next time you find yourself crying over an onion, just remember it's not you, it's the onion chemistry at work. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun science facts.